the lower one is our warehouse, and the upper one is the office. Later I will show you forward. To the dormitories for the worker, and these two are for the leaders dormitory, and this is a new workshop, and inside is a painting house, and in the front we got machining workshop and machining workshop and assembly workshop. I will show you later. This is one of our machining workshop. This one for the cylinder housing combination machine, the base. Oh, this is another machining workshop. And these are the parts are nearly ready for machining. And these are wire cutting machines, many. This is another machining warehouse workshop to make the parts, machine parts. Many machines. And here many wire cutting machines, all in working to make the precision parts. And these are our warehouse that we bought from outside. These items all stocked here. It's our checking parts, QC, and after the machining they will check all the sizes, and after ready they will stock it here. All the items are waiting for assembly. These are all the machines waiting for assembly. The welding workshop, and the workers are welding the items, and the machine shelters are welding here. So you can see the base and the upper parts of the machine. This is nearly the ready upper parts. Ready machine floor structures are ready. This is one of our assembly warehouse. All the machines are assembled, tested, and debugged here, and many machines in working. And I will firstly let you check one of the profiling machines for Sri Mahavir. And the up, down, left, right, front and back can all be adjusted in the touching screen panel and controlled by the servo motors. Front, back, up, down, left, right, and the speed parameters can all be set on the touching screen panel. And this is all the machines in assembly and in testing. After testing ready, we'll put it back into the workshop and waiting for delivery. And this machine is for export to Turkish. The profiling machine. And this is before processing. And here's another keep profiling, waiting for assembly. The front, back, left, right. You can see the servo motors, and up, down are all controlled by servo motors. And front and back. Many machines here, and here we got another assembly warehouse. we got 2 assembly workshop to finish the orders. This is another one. And this is a complete combination machine. And this is the Zamak housing processing machine. The engineer is in debugging it. This one is the same model. This one before processing and this one after processing. And currently many orders all in processing, and this is the key cutting machine. Dimpling, laser marking and ringing. This one is for the surrounding chamfering. Back end surrounding chamfering. And this is a key cutting machine, cutting the standard key cutting, and laser marking and ringing. And this one for the key head logo coining. And this one for Turkey, and this one for Bangladesh to run stock pan and run stock pan feeding and laser mark and snake slots and laser marking and ringing. And this one for Turkey, and computer key, dimpling and tube chamfering and degreasing and ringing. And this one also a laser cutting machine for making the key slot. And this machine for Iran. For Iran to also make the laser cut and ringing and round stock pan. And we got many machines. So for lock cylinder making, so no need to worry anything about our cooperation. We are professional in making this type of machines. Oh, this is our warehouse. All the ready machines are stocked here, waiting for delivery. And we got many machines. And this 1, 2, 3, 4 are for for your country SMI, Shia Mahavir, for the key making machine. And also in the workshop there are many other machines for SMI to make the keys. This is to make the pins. This is for Turkish cylinder plug broaching machine. And later I will show you SMI's key profiling machine in the workshop. And this is for Ireland key cutting machine.